Welcome back to the Cyber Hero. Today we're going to continue firewall configuration and management. So let's see what we're going to see here. Some introduction to firewalls, objectives of firewalls, what are the types of firewalls, then some components and configuration basics, some examples, best practices, firewall misconfigurations, and some tools. Then we will say some example, and in last we will summarize this video. So without wasting any time, let's go for it. For introduction, what is a firewall? Starting from the basic scratch. A firewall is a network security device. A firewall is a network security device that monitor and filters for incoming and outgoing network traffic based on security rule. It is a security devices which monitors the network traffic for both for incoming and outgoing. It acts as a barrier and a trusted internal network and untrusted external network like the internet. Firewall informs security policies and prevents unauthorized access to or from private network. What are the objectives of firewall? Protect internal network from external threat. Another one is control access to control resources, network resources. Another objective will be the monitor network traffic for suspicious pattern, then prevent data exfiltration and intrusion attempts. These are the main objectives of the firewall. Then we'll see the types of firewall. How many types are there of a firewall? First one is packet filtering firewall, where it simply filters the packets. Then stateful inspection firewall. Third one is proxy firewall. Fourth one, next generation firewall. Fifth one is cloud firewall. I'm going an overview for this packet filtering overview firewalls. It inspects packets individually and allow or deny them based on the predefined rules. What stateful inspection firewalls do? It tracks the state of active connections and make decisions based on context of traffic. Then what about proxy one? It acts as an intermediate between user and the internet, inspect traffics at the application layer. The next generation firewall NGFW, it combines traditional firewall features with intrusion prevention, data packet inspection and application awareness. Then cloud flavor of firewalls. Firewall services provided through cloud environment prevent cloud-based applications. Then now we're going to see some main components of a firewall. Rule-based. First one, rule-based. The set of policies and defining what traffic is allowed or denied. Which traffic will be allowed or not allowed. Some basis rules. Then network interfaces. Connect as a firewall to an internet and external network. Logging and monitoring keeps record of traffic that passes through is blocked. Management interface used for configuring and maintaining the firewall. Then configuration basics of firewall. There's defining network zones, example internal, external. Establishing default policies like denial, then allow specific traffic. Then set up inbound and outward rules for a port and protocol, so and so on. I will make a practical video on this, how to configure a firewall to get more privacy security like that, how it works. I'll make a practical video for this. If you want, please let me know in comment sections. So then let's see some examples of configurations allowed inbound databases. So it will be clear with a practical. Here I can give an overview and theoretical concept. First one, for example, allowing inbound HTTP port 80 and HTTPS port 443 traffic from any source to the web server. Allowing bound for port DNS port 53, block other inbound traffic by default, allow SSH, so on so on. Some firewall best practices. Adopt a denial allow required rule approach. Document and label all rules for clarity and audit. Regularly auditing and remove absolute rules. And for practice will be enable firewall logging and monitoring regularly for anomalies. The fifth rule is use multiple firewalls or zones for layered defenses, example internal versus DMZ. So these were some best practices we can use. Some misconfigurations for firewall. Allowing any rules that bypass security policies. Leaving unused ports open. When I will go through the practical video, there I will show these some misconfigurations. So no worry about that. And not updating firewall firmware or signatures. Improper network segmentation leading to the lateral movement of threats. Failure to monitor logs and alerts regularly. Some tools: Cisco AC and Firepower, pfsense, Palo network firewalls. And these were some firewall management tools. How to use them? I can make a dedicated video for them. If you want, please let me know in comment section. Some real world firewall deployment example. A company sets up a DMZ with web and mail server protected by a perimeter firewall. Remote employees connected via VPN through a firewall that enforces multi-factor authentication. Internet users access through the internet through proxy firewall that inspect outward traffic. Logs from all firewall and centralize and analyzes to incident response. Now we are going to summarize this video. Firewalls are the first line of defense in network security. Proper configuration, rule management, continuously monitoring are essential. Modern firewalls integrate with other tools for complete network protection. Regular auditing and updates keep firewall security effective and current. Thanks for watching this video. If you learned something new today, please hit that subscribe button and share with your friends as much as possible. Thank you. See you in the next video.